Hey, buddies, welcome again to this channel. Today we're starting a new journey of 3D design. Today we're creating exterior design. It's not only an exterior, it's a modern exterior. So this exterior file I got from my client, and they give me $200 per hour for this work. So here's the AutoCAD 2D drawing, and let's convert it in 3D. So first of all, we need tape measurement tools. So press T button on keyboard and align the line with the wall perfectly like this. Let's apply this to every wall. So look at this. This is the tape measurement tool used like this. And this tool is really important for every 3D visualizer who work on SketchUp. So first of all, why you fucking not subscribe my channel? You know I'm doing really hard work for you. So you guys, please subscribe to the channel and fuck the like button for more architecture and interior design video. In the last, I will show you my workflow of this exterior. So take your ass on chair and sit politely or watch it and enjoy with me. Here we done all lines, and now let's create wall. So for making wall, press R button on keyboard and add this rectangular on measurement line. This rectangular shape used for making walls. I'll show you easy way of making exterior or architectural design in 3D. So you proud motherfucker, subscribe to the channel, and I won't say something to my subscriber and viewers. I really love you guys and thank you for your love, so please keep love to my channel and subscribe so let's do don't work. So here we creating walls on measurement line. So now you understood why I created measurement line first. And this is the only first use of tape tool. There's many different ways of using tape tool. Okay, now our half wall work done and half pending. Let's finish it fast. Also, I hope guys you understood how I created walls. If you have any issue or doubt, you can comment me below. I will solve your problem. But don't comment your personal wife problem because nobody can solve girlfriend-wife issue. Do you understand what I said? Anyway, let's finish. So here we done our all wall stuff. So now the next work is to make all this in one group. So making a group, you just need to select all the wall by hold shift button and click left button of your mouse on every wall for selecting exact like I'm doing. Make sure you're selecting every walls like And after selecting all walls, press right button on your mouse and select make group option. It's easy peasy. Yeah, we got a group, it's pretty. Let's hide this wall and start to making floor. So for making a wall, we need tap measurement tool. Let's go to make ground for wall. Press T again and make line on floor border like this. This is the floor that we are making now, this. So create line on every single border of the ground. Yeah, it's done. Now let's create floor. So press R button again for making rectangular and match it corner to corner like this. Okay, now here we done our floor. So first of all, let's make it thicker. Okay, for making thick any object you need, push pull tool. So tool press P button on your keyboard and select the face that want to push. Like this. Also, if you want measurement push, go in corner and click on number and add value that you want push. Come on, man, it's easy if you subscribe to me. I will take guarantee to teach you every single step of SketchUp. It's done. Let's make it group and hide it. And we need to move our walls on the floor. For moving any object, you just need to press M button and move object dot. It's done. Let's push the wall. I already told you the cheat code of pushing any object. If any doubt, comment me below. Okay, and I'm repeating again, if you want any object to push or pull, you just need select that face like this and click P button on your keyboard and push it. Now, I hope you guys understand what I said. If you have, again, any SketchUp related issue, just comment me. Boo, pause, subscribe. First the channel, okay? Back to work here. I push and wall. This is kind of relaxed. Work, I love architect and interior design work. Let's finish it, and after we talking, let's do it fast. Here we done some 3 to 4 walls, but we have a lot work, so we needed to do fast work ASAP. Let's make silence for a minute and work silently. Hey, yo, we did it all walls, but it's look ugly. Let's add windows and gate or door on every wall. If you want any 3D model free in SketchUp, you just need to go on top and click on Windows option and select 3D Warehouse and search any object that you want. But remember, buddy, don't search there, your girlfriend, okay? If you want to rotate any object in SketchUp, click in right bar, rotate option, and select your object, or rotate it. We need to create window support. So I'm clicking T button and making line on wall. And after it, I'm making lining on wall by using this measurement like this. And it's cut, and then I will push the wall to other wall for joint the wall together. If you want to scale any object, you just need press S button on your keyboard and scale any object in any direction that you want. And after joint the walls, remove the line for making one wall. This method we repeating on every cage wall for making window support. Let's add the door and make it small by using scale button S. Okay, I'm putting this gate perfectly on wall. Exactly like this, we need to import every door or window from 3D Warehouse and putting on their place. This so easy process. Okay guys, I talk you after finish all the gate or door fitting. Now let's select every wall making group